Hey there, meet HelpGhost, the first full-stack AI service delivery platform purpose-built to help MSPs manage more endpoints by leveraging their existing team. First up is the dashboard. This is where MSP leadership can get a bird's-eye view of everything, though most of the magic happens behind the scenes. HelpGhost is built to be crazy simple. Plug and play with your existing stack without disrupting your workflows. Now let's talk about Solo, our help desk automation feature your clients will actually want to use. It handles those repetitive, mundane tickets that usually eat up your technician's time. Solo uses dynamic, conversational AI that sounds genuinely human, not like everyday chatbots. Clients interact with it through the white-label desktop app, and it walks them through solutions in a natural, friendly way. Solo pulls from your knowledge base and past ticket resolutions to provide accurate answers. If it can't solve an issue, it automatically escalates the ticket to your PSA with full context and conversation history, so your technicians have everything they need. Next is Hero, your technician's secret weapon. Instead of switching between tabs or using unsecured tools like public LLMs, Hero lives right in your ticket view, context-aware, and always knows what ticket you're working on. It finds solutions, knocks out admin tasks, and helps you solve more tickets per day per tech. Think of it like Batman's utility belt for your techs, built directly into their workflow. Finally, there's Scholar, which keeps your knowledge in HelpGhost updated automatically. It captures new solutions from tickets and creates knowledge entries for you. No more spending hours manually updating documentation or training AI. Just review and approve, and Scholar handles the rest. Together, these features help MSPs work smarter and manage more without hiring more. Start free today at helpghost.io.